Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. In this video we are going to discuss about referring the images in our application. Within this body tag I am going to create an image tag. The syntax for referring all the static files are same. URL for static file name. I'm keeping all the images within the images folder. So I have previously added one image folder, okay, called header.png. So I'm going to refer it here, header.png. So that's all. That's very easy one. Okay, so I have added it and it's time to start my server. Python index.py. So server has started. I'm going to my browser and provide on request. The image is being loaded. Okay, if you wanted to add styles to the image, you could add within this is called as inline styling. Even you could refer all the css in the another css file and you could refer it directly here over the class name. Style it could be like 1080 pixel, why not, height 100%. So that's all. So as I said previously, whenever you did change in our file, you just need to restart your server and refresh here. The file changes. This is much better than previous look. Thank you. This is how you need to load the images file.